Now we are going to look at a really cool feature within Mac OS X Lion called Quick Look. Quick Look is a really good feature that allows you to have a view of the document or a file without having to open it up completely. Now, instead of having to open an application, it might be a large file and it might take a little while to load. You don't actually have to go through that process. So let's say we're in Finder and we go to my miscellaneous documents, and there I have a PDF. There are a number of ways to access or start Quick Look. One of the easiest is just to hit the space bar on the keyboard. Quick Look activates, and there it gives me basically a quick look at the document that I'm interested in. There are other ways to start Quick Look as well. You can also highlight the document, hold down the Command key on the keyboard and press Y, and the same thing occurs. Once again, there is a Quick Look icon, but you have to actually put that in your menu bar simply by going to Customize Toolbar. That's the Quick Look icon, drag it across and done. And it does exactly the same thing. Highlight the document, press Quick Look. Now, as I said, Quick Look's a handy feature. It's also quite powerful. It allows you to have a quick look within a number of different types of documents. Now, Quick Look doesn't recognize all documents. However, people are constantly building plugins so that it will recognize different documents. And if it doesn't, there are a few different plugins available at websites such as www.quicklookplugins.com or www.qlplugins.com, in other words, qlplugins.com. Some of Quick Look's more powerful features come into play when you start looking at graphics and photos. Now let's go to my pictures, and I have a few graphics, or I should say photos, available there already. So instead of having to open each photo up individually, just like a document, you can simply highlight it, and I like using the spacebar function, and you can have a quick look. And if I want to view that particular picture in full screen, just simply hit the full screen icon at the top. And you can either press escape or use one of the buttons to close. Quick Look also has a handy feature that enables you to slideshow some of your documents. All I need to do is highlight the files I'm interested in, activate Quick Look, either by the icon, spacebar, or the other methods that I mentioned before, and expand full screen and press play. Sit back and watch the slideshow. Now you can stop the slideshow at any time. I find the quickest method to use is to press the escape key, or you can use the close button. And it's not just pictures that you can actually utilize in a slideshow. Let's go back to my missed documents, and I'll copy that document across to my pictures. And let's say I highlight that one as well as two pictures that I'm interested in, activate Quick Look, and start the slideshow. And again, Quick Look will have no trouble at all by displaying those images as well as the PDF file that I'm interested in. And that's pretty much it. It's one of the handy features and really cool features within Mac OS X Lion, Quick Look. I'm sure you'll find it useful to use.